A vast cosmic nebula of gas and dust, slowly collapsing under gravity, glowing at the center, forming a bright new star in deep space, the birth of the sun. A young Earth covered in red-hot lava, glowing with volcanic activity, surrounded by dark smoke clouds and a fiery sky. A Mars-sized planet, Theia, colliding with early Earth, massive explosion in space, debris flying, the moon beginning to form, continuous heavy rainfall over a cooling Earth, steam rising, giant pools forming into the first oceans under a stormy sky, microscopic single-celled organisms floating in deep blue ancient oceans, sunlight filtering through water, origin of life. Planet Earth fully covered in ice and snow, reflecting sunlight, with frozen oceans and glaciers extending across continents. Colorful alien-like sea creatures in ancient oceans, trilobites crawling on the seafloor, coral-like structures in the background. Massive dinosaurs like T-Rex and Argentinosaurus walking on lush plains of Pangaea under dramatic skies with volcanoes in the distance. A gigantic asteroid hitting Earth near the ocean, fiery explosion, dust and debris filling the atmosphere. Extinction event. Early humans gathered around a fire inside a cave, shadows dancing on walls, sparks flying. The moment fire was tamed.